The Thompson Hotel in Palm Springs opened at the beginning of October 2024, and a couple days later we visited with our family of 5. We had never stayed at a brand new hotel and quickly learned that comes with its own set of challenges. The nice thing was that we were the first to stay in this room, which felt quite special. The Thompson brand positions itself as a luxury lifestyle hotel brand, and we did feel that vibe throughout the hotel. When you enter the lobby, the first thing you see is this stunning artwork by Jeffrey Gibson, followed by this piece by Gerald Clark using recycled cans. There's a lot of beautiful art pieces spread across the hotel. After checking in at the front desk, the path from the lobby to the hotel room isn't straightforward. For our room, we took the elevator to the second floor, where you get out right by the restaurant and then make your way to the outdoor area. Since we arrived quite late on a Friday night, it felt a bit awkward walking through a crowd of people waiting at the restaurant with all our luggage. But once you move through that and you go outside, it feels very calm and peaceful. Our room was on the second floor, so we had direct access to it, though there are rooms above it for which you have to use the stairs. There's also an adults-only tower called Upper Stories, which was under construction while we were there. Okay, let's take a look at this 2 queen beds view room with balcony. It's very spacious, and apart from the 2 queen beds, there's also a seating area which is great when traveling with kids. There's complimentary coffee and tea, a mini bar with a range of items for sale, complimentary reusable water bottles, bathrobes and slippers, and some beautiful and unique decor details. They also provided a crib for our infant. As for the bathroom, there's a dual sink, a large shower with a rainfall shower head, and amenities by the brand Bowmakers by DS and Durga. We did have an issue with the shower, where the water would run extremely hot without access to cold water. They sent someone to fix it, but he was only able to tweak the temperature a little bit. Still too hot for our kids to take a shower. Later that day, he returned to do some bigger repairs. In the end, the water was bearable, but still not ideal. We did hear that we weren't the only room with that issue. Here's a view of the balcony. Just note that the lights on the balcony were on all night and would shine through the gaps of the curtains, so the room is not very dark. We heard from other guests that the courtyard view rooms do not have this issue, but those rooms are a bit smaller. All in all, we really liked the room, the special touches with the decor, and the large space. And now for my personal favorite part of the Thompson in Palm Springs, their Lola Rose Grand Mezze restaurant. We had breakfast here several times and did lunch takeout as well. While lunch was okay, some of the breakfast dishes were oh so delicious. I absolutely loved their shakshuka egg dish as well as their pancakes. They offer a Mediterranean-inspired menu, and the interior is beautiful and thoughtfully designed. There's an indoor and outdoor seating area with views of the pool, and the staff were super kind and friendly. When we went, they were still getting situated, and wait time for food could be a bit long. We really enjoyed the pool area with the kids. There's plenty of loungers available, a great pool bar, and during the day they turn on misters that really help with the heat. The adults-only tower, Upper Stories, has a pool as well. The gym is located on the ground floor near the lobby. It's quite big with incredible equipment. Instead of dark hallways as in many other hotels, when you walk out of your room, you're immediately outside, which felt like a nice change. Near our room, there was a fire pit and some games. It's also really nice at night and early in the morning.
Didn't happen.
As for the view, you're in downtown Palm Springs, so it's mostly city views with the mountains right behind it. Since the Thompson Palm Springs had just opened when we stayed there were some hiccups here and there, like the hot water issue I mentioned earlier, long wait times for food, balcony lights that stay on all night, and the sewage smell that would come and go. There's definitely this feeling that the Thompson is catered to a different age group and clientele, but despite this, our kids were warmly welcomed by the staff. We were surprised that there was no kids menu at the restaurant, especially for breakfast. But after expressing our surprise, someone from the kitchen came and told us we could order pancakes for the kids. And when we visited again a month later, the pancakes were officially on the menu. And they're not only good for kids, because these were some of the best American-style pancakes we've had. When it comes to the rooms, for families with kids, it's great that they offer 2 queen bedrooms. These are more spacious than the 1 king bedrooms, and with kids, we really appreciated the additional space. The hotel will also add a crib at no extra charge if needed, but keep in mind that there aren't any rollaway beds available at this hotel. We booked this hotel with Hyatt points that we transferred from our Chase Sapphire credit card. The Thompson Palm Springs is a Category 6 hotel, meaning you need on average 25,000 points to book one night, which is great value, especially given its higher price point. Taking into account the additional taxes and fees, booking with points makes it an even greater deal. And if you have Globalist status with Hyatt, then valet parking is waived when booking with points. Otherwise, it's $30 per night. We booked a standard room, which is the 2 queen beds courtyard room, and were upgraded to a 2 queen beds view room with balcony, which is bigger by about 80 square feet. Despite the growing pains, we really liked our stay and the location of the Thompson Palm Springs. If you want to see more hotel reviews, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you at the next hotel. Bye!